The Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Satya Malik, had a series of meetings with officers of the state government on 2nd and 3rd December 2020 to review the performance of central schemes and Prime Minister's flagship schemes and programs in Garo Hills. In a meeting held with Commissioner of Division and all Deputy Commissioners of Garo Hills, he reviewed important developmental schemes on 2nd December 2020 through video conference. The performance of the 5 Garo Hills district in programs such as MGNREGA, PMAY, NHM, PMJAY, MHIS, SSA, PM, Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sehat Sadag Yojana was extensively reviewed. He also reviewed the law and order situation in Garo Hills with DIG Western Range and Commissioner of Division. On 3rd December 2020, Honorable Governor reviewed the functioning of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council with Administrator Dr. Vijay Kumar D and others. The construction of Governor House in Tura was also reviewed.